In this lecture, we'll be exploring blocks and scope of variables. So here we saw what exactly a block is whenever it's a function. But what we are going to do over here is we'll be creating a new block altogether. So here I'll say this is the block that we have, and you'll notice that if the condition is true, we are having print true, and then there are some white spaces, and after that at the same indent level we have another line. So what does this mean is that these two lines are part of the same block. So when we'll run this, you'll notice it says true and this is true. So white spaces does not make any difference to a block if the indentation level is exactly the same. Now one more thing I would like to highlight over here. Let's say we have a variable over here called x is equal to 10, and then another variable which we define inside this block as y equals 20. Now if I go over here and print y, you can see that when we are printing it over here, value of y is format y. Let's run it now. You'll see that it says value of y is 20. So in Python, a block does not define the scope of a variable. In Python, functions, modules, objects, they do define the scope of a variable, but a block never defines the scope of a variable, as you can see from this example. So that was about blocks and scope of variables in Python.